Good morning, guys. It's been a while. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So today is my 36-week appointment. I'll be 37 week on Friday.
Mommy, I got you.
Okay, so we're getting ready to head out to my appointment. It's 12 o'clock. My appointment. It's at 1. I have a really nasty cough. And speaking of cough, I need to get some cough drops. And then I'm gonna put Gio on the bus.
Yeah.
And go pick up some lunch, put gas, and get to my appointment by 1.
You're
I think I can.
my lunch?
So yeah, I'm gonna head out.
Yay.
So I will see you guys
What?
at my appointment. Bye. Well, that sucks. My doctor just called and he has a patient in labor, so I won't be going to my 36-week appointment. So he'll see me next week at 37 week. I really wanted to see if I was dilated or not, but I guess I won't know if I was, you know, making progress or something. But it doesn't matter because I'm having a C-section on the 19th. Today is the 1st.
Your bell on?
So who cares?
What?
I was supposed to talk to him about my growth ultrasound that I'm supposed to get done. But whatever.
Mommy, this one broken now.
So
Mommy,
I'm gonna go
this
grocery
one
shopping. This little guy right here is gonna get on the bus. Say hi. Yeah, he's gonna get on the bus, and I'm gonna go grocery shopping and
Mommy, look at mommy.
get some dinner for later.
At me.
And I'll see you guys once I get to the grocery store. Bye. So I'm looking for dermaplast. Is it dermaplast or dermablast? That thing, because I'm trying to make my postpartum basket. So I came to CVS thinking maybe they'll have it, but hey, so I got some Zantac because my husband excuse me, my OB told me to switch to Zantac. He said it's better. I just paid $11 for this thing. It better works because I'm gonna punch him in that. Rolade was like $1 something for 30. This was $11, so hopefully this works. And then I got just some gauze pads, just some CVS gauze pads for my for when I have my C-section and I have to clean the site wound. And of course some alls. This is Lifesaver. This is the only thing right now that works for the cough. And I have to get rid of this cough because when I do have my C-section, I can't cough. Like, that's the worst. Like, when you have a C-section and you're trying to cough, that's the worst. So I got some alls and I'm trying everything to get rid of this cough without having to take medication. So right now my foot is hurting and I only been to one store, so I'm gonna go put gas. Let me see. I'm gonna go put gas and then head to the grocery store. Oh my gosh, guys. Look. Look where my gas needle is. Oh. So I'm gonna go put gas and go to the grocery store. So I'm just getting back in the house from going grocery shopping, and I'm just gonna do a quick haul for you guys and show you the stuff I got. I spent $153, I believe. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Turkey breast over there. We have some orange juice, and I stacked up on a whole bunch of yogurt because Jaxson is obsessed with yogurt. He loves the yogurt, so I got him some strawberry mango some strawberry banana, and these are the tropical ones. So I got him a whole bunch of those. And then I got, what are you doing?
Not yet.
Daddy's bathing Juju.
But I'm trying.
What
Watch your head. I can't see. Juju, you getting a bath, Papa? Yeah. We're gonna bathe Heaven too.
What?
Every no.
We change everything around. So
Regular sofa and Juju on that.
that's what it looks like now. So guys, it's the end of the night, end of the vlog.
Okay, Mom. I know.
Right now we are circling gifts
I can write your name.
for Christmas that the kids think they want, and we're putting our names on it.
Yeah.
They're putting their names on that. They're circled items.
You're not that kind of.
We're going to the
And
I don't know what that means.
I wanted this, but I didn't get it.
and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys. I can't promise tomorrow. I'm gonna give you guys a vlog every 2 weeks or something like that. Say bye.
Bye. Daddy? Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Bye. So it's still. Bye. 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 Bye.
Daddy,
And Maddie
can I
says
get
bye.
one of the outfits that the marker